Hi everyone, welcome back to the Intermediate and Advanced series episode 3. In this video, we are going to have a look at the design tools that has been used to design the experiences for AR and VR, that is means augmented reality and virtual reality interfaces. I'm going to list out 6 set of tools that has been used to create AR and VR experiences. So these tools are totally available for free. People who are interested towards designing for those experiences can give it a try. Come, let's get into the video. Today, as I told, we are diving into the world of AR and VR design. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, these tools are really free, and these tools will help you to create amazing immersive experiences without breaking the bank. So let's get started. So the first one is Unity. Unity is a powerful tool for creating both AR and VR experiences. The best part is it offers a free personal plan for beginners, and also you can get access to huge asset store, cross-platform capabilities, and you can also create a strong community to get started with. So you can see their success stories of how much that has been created, and this is the community that you can log in, and they have resources. They have their own education institutions and license and tool for educators, whatever is needed, and the community, so you can make use of them if you want. And here are the plans and pricing. You can start for free, and then you can see like which one is suitable for you to upgrade with. And number 2 is Unreal Engine. This is one more tool which is known for its high quality graphics, and Unreal Engine is free to use until your project starts earning revenue, so you can make use of it. It has a visual scripting system called Blueprint, and which makes it easy to design without coding. So it's packed with AR and VR tools. You can see how many things are there, and there are different things that you can produce that with games, mobile games, and switching to Unreal Engine. And they have editor, they have film and TV, broadcast and live events, so you can check all of them if you are interested. And they have tutorials for you also to get started with, and they have showcased some of the sample projects that has been created using this Unreal Engine. You can check them out and see whether that interests you. Apart from those, they have the community forums where you can have engaged with and then get more details about it. And the third one is Blender. Blender is an open source 3D creation suite, as I have told earlier. That's a completely free one. It supports everything for from modeling to rendering, and even the VR scene inspection you can also use that with. It's a versatile tool for almost all the 3D needs, and also it's backed up with a strong community again. So most of the 3D and AR and VR platform experience platforms are having their own strong community, which will help the people to solve their doubts and things. So yeah, these are the free and open source you can engage with. You can see more details about the tool and then download it. And the next one is Google.AR. So this is a Google AR core where it is specially made for developers, but designers can also see how to use them, because it's a fantastic platform for building augmented reality experiences. It's packed with its features like motion tracking, light estimation, and also it's make it easier to create the realistic AR experiences. So it's because like it's free. Best of all, you can see, have a look at it. And the next one is A-Frame. This is the A-Frame. So it's actually called Mozilla's A-Frame. So where it's an open source again. It's a web framework, and for building VR experiences that work directly in the browser. So you don't need to download it. It's super easy, just like Figma. You can make use of it. And even if you are just familiar with HTML, this is enough. It's more than enough to getting started with this tool. It has greater community support and extensive documentation as well. So you can see their blogs, FAQs in case they have the documentations here, and see their blogs and communities to know more about it. Explore this side menu and this is the 3D video, and here comes the 3D image where you can create this with. So this is the hand tracking one. This is about Anime UI. And next one is Echo 3D. It is actually, the name is Echo AR, and but the website name is Echo 3D. You can see this is a huge asset management. It's again for developers, but you can, anyway, it's a cloud platform that offers a free tier of for managing and streaming 3D designs and 3D contents in AR and VR apps. So it's a great real-time content management tool and easy to integrate with all the projects that we are trying to do. So you can start them for free. And the next one is Google Poly. So I hope you have heard about it already. If not, let me tell you what it is about. Google Poly was a library of 3D assets which can be used for both AR and VR projects that we are trying to create. And although the services have been discontinued, many of the assets are still available. So you can make use of it through the third-party archives and which can be a valuable resource for our designs. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this will be helpful in all the cases who are interested towards designing for AR and VR experiences. Let me also know in the comment section whether you are interested to learn more about AR and VR experiences and how to design for it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you all in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.